15 Brillant car hacks. Almost no one knows. Most drivers think they know their cars. They know where the fuel goes, how to pair Bluetooth, maybe even how to reset the trip meter. But here's the shocking part. Most people use barely 50% of what their car is actually capable of. Hidden in plain sight are small features, overlooked tricks, and smart habits that can completely change how you drive, maintain, and enjoy your vehicle. Some of these hacks save money. Some save time. Others simply make you wonder how you ever missed something so obvious. Today, we are diving deep into 15 brilliant car hacks almost no one knows. And by the end of this video, you are going to look at your car very differently. Hidden fuel arrow on the dashboard. Almost every modern car has a tiny arrow next to the fuel pump icon on the dashboard, and most drivers have never noticed it. That small triangle tells you exactly which side your fuel door is on. It sounds simple, but think about how many times you have pulled into a gas station with a rental car or a friend's vehicle and hesitated, trying to remember which side the tank is on. That arrow eliminates the guesswork completely. It is a tiny design detail that quietly solves a common annoyance. Sun visor extension. Trick. Most sun visors flip down, but many of them also slide sideways or extend outward. There is often a hidden rod that allows the visor to pull out several extra inches, blocking sunlight from the side window. Drivers frequently struggle with blinding sunlight coming from an angle, especially during early mornings or late afternoons. Instead of leaning forward or adjusting your seat awkwardly, I simply slide the visor toward the window and extend it. It is built for that purpose. Using your key fob to open all windows. On many vehicles, if you press and hold the unlock button on your key fob, all the windows roll down automatically. This feature is incredibly useful on hot days when your car has been sitting under the sun. Before even stepping inside, you can ventilate the cabin and let the trapped heat escape. Some models even allow you to close the windows by holding the lock button. Many owners never activate this feature because it may require a quick settings adjustment through the infotainment system. Adjusting headrests for comfort and safety. Headrests are not just fixed cushions. In many cars, they tilt forward and backward or adjust at multiple angles. Properly positioning your headrest reduces neck strain during long drives and provides better support. Instead of leaving it in the default setting, take a moment to adjust it so that it aligns naturally with the back of your head. This small tweak can make long road trips significantly more comfortable. Resetting automatic windows. If your automatic window suddenly stops rolling up or down in one-touch mode, you may not need a mechanic. In many cases, you can reset it yourself. Simply roll the window all the way down, hold the button for a few seconds, then roll it all the way up and hold again. This reprograms the window's memory in many models. Electrical systems can occasionally lose calibration after battery disconnection or power fluctuations. Other secret storage compartments. Many vehicles have hidden storage spaces that go unnoticed. Beneath the trunk floor, under rear seats, or even behind dashboard panels, there are compartments designed for tools or valuables. Some SUVs include small side pockets in the cargo area, perfect for emergency kits. Exploring your vehicle thoroughly can reveal extra storage that keeps your cabin clutter-free. Organized storage not only improves convenience, but also prevents loose items from sliding around while driving. Using cruise control to improve fuel efficiency. Cruise control is not just for long highway drives. When used correctly on steady roads, it can help maintain consistent speed and reduce unnecessary acceleration. Sudden speed changes consume more fuel than steady driving. By allowing the system to manage throttle input smoothly, you can potentially improve efficiency. Understanding when to use cruise control transforms it from a comfort feature into a smart fuel-saving tool. The recirculation button. Advantage. The air recirculation button in your climate control system does more than many realize. When activated during hot weather, it cools the cabin faster by recycling already cooled air instead of pulling in hot air from outside. In heavy traffic, it also helps reduce outside odors entering the vehicle. However, using it continuously in colder months may cause windows to fog. Knowing when to toggle this feature improves both comfort and air quality inside your car. Folding side mirrors. From inside. Some vehicles allow you to fold side mirrors using a button inside the cabin. This is extremely useful in tight parking spaces or narrow streets. Instead of stepping out to manually adjust mirrors, you can retract them instantly before entering a cramped area. Even if your mirrors are manual, gently folding them inward when parked on busy streets can reduce the risk of accidental bumps. It is a small habit that protects your vehicle's exterior over time. Steering wheel. Audio controls. Many drivers still reach toward the center console to change volume or skip tracks, ignoring the controls right on the steering wheel. These buttons allow you to keep your hands in position while adjusting audio, answering calls, or navigating menus. Spending a few minutes familiarizing yourself with these controls enhances convenience and streamlines the driving experience. It reduces distraction and makes daily commutes feel smoother. Fuel cap holder slot. Inside the fuel door on many cars, there is a small hook or slot designed to hold the fuel cap while refueling. Instead of letting the cap dangle or placing it on top of the car, you can secure it neatly in this holder. This prevents scratches and keeps dirt away from the cap. It is a simple design element that many overlook because they never examine the inside of the fuel door closely. Remote start climate preparation. If your car has remote start, you can preset the climate control system before turning the engine off. The next time you start the vehicle remotely, it will activate with those saved settings. This means you can ensure the cabin begins cooling or warming before you even open the door. Many drivers use remote start without realizing they can control the temperature experience in advance. Taking advantage of this feature makes seasonal transitions far more comfortable. Manual gear mode in automatic cars. Many automatic vehicles include a manual shift mode, often labeled with plus and minus signs. This allows drivers to control gear changes without a traditional clutch. While not used daily by everyone, it becomes useful during downhill driving or when additional engine control is needed. Engaging lower gears can provide better control and responsiveness in certain conditions. Exploring this feature expands your understanding of what your transmission can actually do. Windshield wiper service position. In several modern cars, windshield wipers can be moved into a service position for easier blade replacement. This usually involves turning the ignition on and off, then holding the wiper lever in a specific direction. Once activated, the wipers lift away from the windshield, allowing full access. Many people struggle to change blades because the hood blocks movement. Learning this simple activation sequence simplifies maintenance tasks significantly. Checking tire pressure with built-in systems. Most newer vehicles include a tire pressure monitoring system, but some provide detailed individual readings through the infotainment display. Instead of relying solely on warning lights, you can check exact pressure levels for each tire. Regularly monitoring this information improves driving comfort and efficiency. It also allows you to spot slow leaks early before they become bigger issues. Taking a moment to explore your vehicle settings may reveal more detailed tire data than you expected. If you discovered something new in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your favorite hack in the comments. There is always more to learn, and the smartest drivers are the ones who keep exploring.